Good morning, snack and travel enthusiasts. Today we're unboxing something special. This is TokyoTreat. It's a Japanese snack subscription box. It's absolutely packed with over 20 unique, fun, full-size snacks and treats. Everything from ramen to candy to special Japanese KitKats and so on. Let's take a look. TokyoTreat boxes to me are fantastic because they let you experience Japanese culture and try snacks that you wouldn't normally find outside of Japan. This box right here is TokyoTreat's Snacktacular Christmas. So it's packed full of special Christmassy treats. I'm going to get into each one of these. I'm going to try every snack in here and show you what they're like. I have had 5 TokyoTreat boxes so far. This is my 5th. So I'm going to tell you everything I know, from how the quality of the snacks to the pricing to whether I think it's actually worth it. Now for me, the main draw of the snacks here, besides the fact they're delicious, is that they give an insight into Japanese culture. We are able to try snacks that you wouldn't be able to try outside of Japan. Let's actually take a look inside. So this is one of my favorite things about the TokyoTreat box. This is their 20-page information booklet. You flip it the opposite direction you would a book in North America, as you would in Japan. And inside there are travel trips, all sorts of cultural information, fun games, just tons of stuff. My favorite thing is that there's detailed information about each snack, and within that there's dietary information like common allergens and whether or not each snack is suitable for vegetarians. Let's get tasting. This is the Strawberry KitKat, which looks absolutely amazing. Very strawberry. Very nice. Next up are these fun little chocolate balls inside a candy cane. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Cute. Very tasty too. Next up is a Don Don Yaki tonkatsu sauce. I had to check the booklet. This is a puffy cracker that's supposed to be quite savory and tasty. Let's take a look. Really crispy and good. Next one up, I'm excited for. This is a sour cream potato cracker. I love potato, love sour cream, so let's try it. Very light sour cream taste, very crispy, quite tasty. This is a fun one. Spicy Kataka ramen. It's a rich, thick noodles, soy sauce broth. This one looks like fun. This is a snow sugar Corinto. A light dough, lightly deep fried, covered in sugar. Light, you don't taste the deep fried at all. Slight sesame flavor and very sweet and covered in sugar on the outside. And this is a Japanese snowball marshmallow. It's marshmallow on the outside and bean paste on the middle. And it's actually suitable for vegetarians too, which is awesome. If you know, you know. It's just a butter knife. Let's try. Very squishy and soft. That's nice. Very sweet, but not too much. And the bean paste has a little bit of a grainy texture inside, but also very sweet. Good. This is the streamer marshmallow stick. They suggest adding it to your hot cocoa, but I am just gonna eat some here. Here we go. Opened it already. Let's take a little taste. Very sweet and marshmallowy. Very simple. Really good. I love my savory snacks, so I'm excited about these. These are pure potato and rock salt chips. Let's open them up. Oh my God, these are great. If you like truffles, you'll love these. They have that unique taste and they're nice and crispy and light and salty. I'm gonna keep eating it. It's a milk-based fizzy drink. So let's give this one a try. That's really interesting. It's not overly sweet and you can't really taste the milk, but it does have a really interesting kind of look. I think that one's going to be up more to your personal taste. I like it, but I don't know if I'd get it again. This is a Christmas pizza corn snack. I have to admit I broke into these earlier. Cute little light fluffy ball. The pizza flavor's really good. It's light, so you can actually eat quite a few of these. This is a premium Ghana chocolate square. Let's open it up. Individual wafers within the box. Yeah, there we go. On the top, there's regular milk chocolate. That is really good, really rich. Christmas cake gummies. How cute. Let's take a look inside. They smell so good. Like fruity, a little bit of strawberry, so delicious. This one is adorable. This is a little Christmas crunch snack kit. This is a Christmas Cocoa 2 donut. It's made with Okinawan brown sugar. That's really good. You can really taste the brown sugar in there. I had a lot of fun with this month's box. This is my 5th box from TokyoTreat I've tried. Every box has been full of everything they said. All 20 snacks have been there. They've all been really high quality. For pricing, you're looking at around $33 US a month for a subscription, and they go up from there depending on how long you get them. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description. Happy snacking!